Good day, gentlemen and ladies. The big maple tree behind me, it's quite a big one. It's I'd say it composed of three main tree who could at the stump. But and this I will be able to have maple syrup at this coming spring. The reason why I'm making that small video, that tree is a maple tree. You can see all the way there, and I'm just gonna go down there show it to you how tall is it. It is. So it's quite a huge tree, and I will have definitely to take care of it sooner or later, but not that soon. There's only one dead branch limb, which dead in there. Otherwise, it's quite in good shape. Right now, remember with the video I made about my wheelbarrow craziness? Wheelbarrow craziness is you see that little branch here? Well, this is not maple. In the middle of it, there's a lot of various spunky or leftover, and that tree is a white birch. And look at the leaves. And there's another. This is another type of tree also. So there's two, and I'm gonna show it to you. It's right in the middle in there. So this is a pile of dead wood left over and various of state of decay. And yeah, so that's what this is, white birch. This one I cannot tell you what it is, but there's two type of trees growing in the middle of it, feeding from the middle of the big tree. So that's interesting, isn't it? All right, so go back to my main welding project. As per my canoe rack, I had end up cutting also my bird feeder poles, and so I need to re-weld them for the first time, because this one was conceived from my brain and Shepherd. And so I'm gonna set up the my nice Lincoln Electric MIG welder. All right. Well, gentlemen and ladies, there you have it. So yes, it was tough to weld because I had problem to put it together. But now what I will do is put it outside, and then I'm gonna buy some new paint. It's gonna be the same color, brown, and then bird feeder later on. I have 2 bird feeder, but I want to add up some more, and I would put it in my backyard there. All right. So have a good week. Cheers.